Hello everyone, welcome to the math class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, in last 3 or 4 classes, we have discussed about cube and cuboid and some formula related to cube and cuboid and some examples, some questions related to cube and cuboid. In this class, I am going to teach right circular cylinder. This is a 3D shape, right circular cylinder. So dear students, in this class, we will discuss about what is the curved surface area of cylinder, what is the total surface area of cylinder, and what is the volume of the cylinder. Okay. Now let's move on next slide. Right circular cylinder. What is right circular cylinder? In real life, we have seen around us many objects in the shape of right circular cylinder. Right, every day we see around us many objects such as the first one is a road roller, and the second one is a gas cylinder in your houses, in your kitchen, a circular pillar, and a circular pencil like this. These are all real life examples of these are real life example of cylinders which have the same shape known as the shape of cylinder. Okay, इन सब की सेम होती है और इनको आप बोलते हैं क्या? सिलेंडर. This is the shape of cylinder. Okay. Now we will discuss about some parts of definition relating to a cylinder. Okay. The first one is the radius. The first one is the radius. The radius of the cross section of a cylinder is called radius. So, in this cylinder, this is radius and this is also a radius. In the cylinder, we have only two things, radius and height. So, this is the radius of this cylinder. A cylinder has two circular ends. A cylinder has two circular ends. यानी एक सिलेंडर में दो सर्कुलर एंड्स हैं like this. Third one is the line joining the centers of these two ends is called the axis of the cylinder. Line joining the center. तो जो line center को join करती है this one. So this is called axis of this cylinder. Okay. Next, the circular end on which the cylinder rests is called its base. The circular end which the cylinder rests its base. So base of this cylinder is this. This is base. This is the base of this cylinder. Okay. The length between the two ends is called the length or height of the cylinder. This is the very important height of the cylinder. The length between two ends is called the length or height of the cylinder. The first end is this, and the second circular end is this, and the height between these two circular ends is called height. So this is height of the cylinder. The last one, if axis perpendicular to each cross section. This is the first cross section, and this is the second cross section, and this is the perpendicular to these cross sections. So we know known as this cylinder is as right circular cylinder. इसीलिए हम इसको right circular cylinder बोलते हैं. Okay. Formula for volume and surface area of a cylinder. What are the formula related to surface area and surface area of and volume of the cylinder? What are the formula left now? Formula for volume and surface area of a cylinder. What are the formula related to this cylinder? Volume of the cylinder, lateral surface area of cylinder, and total surface area of the cylinder. If the cylinder have a radius and a height. This is the height between two circular section, cross section, and this is the radius. Okay. So the first formula is volume of the cylinder. What is the formula for volume of the cylinder? So volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. What is the formula? Pi r square h. And what is the unit of volume? Cubic unit. Cubic unit. Unit cube. Okay. The second one is curve or lateral surface area of cylinder. Curve or lateral surface area of the cylinder. So area of this surface. What is the area of this surface? 2 pi r h. What is the surface area of cylinder? 2 pi r h. Okay. And next one is total surface area. Total surface area of cylinder is, in this area includes this curved surface area plus this circular area and this circular area. What is the area of a circle? Pi r square. This is pi r square, and this is also pi r square. And what is the formula for curved surface area? 2 pi. We have discussed above. Okay. So total surface area is curved surface area plus 2 circular areas. First one is this and second one is this. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h plus pi r square, 2 pi r square. We can take 2 pi r as a common. Final answer is 2 pi r h plus r. So dear students, total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r. The first formula of cylinder, volume of the cylinder, pi r square h. What is the formula of cylinder? Volume of cylinder, pi r square h. Okay. Curved surface area of the cylinder, 2 pi r h, and the total surface area, 2 pi r h plus r. So dear students, what is the unit of surface area? Square unit. The unit is square. Okay. So dear students, now move on some questions based on right circle cylinder. उससे पहले आपको ये फॉर्मूले लर्न करने पड़ेंगे. जब तक आप फॉर्मूले लर्न नहीं करोगे तब तक आप क्वेश्चन नहीं करोगे. Question number first of right circle cylinder is find the volume and curved surface area and total surface area. Find the volume, curved surface area and total surface area of a cylinder whose radius is 7. Dear students, here radius is 7 centimeter and height is 50 centimeter. So radius is 7 centimeter and height is 50 centimeter. We have given. And first one is find the volume. So what is the formula for volume? Formula for volume is volume of that cylinder pi r square h. We know that value of pi is a constant value. This is the irrational number. Value of pi is 22.7. और यहाँ पर आप नोट कर लेंगे pi is 22.7 or 3.14 in decimal. Okay. So pi r square r is 7 into 7 and value of h is 50. Okay. 7 multiplied 7, 22, 7, 5, 25, 350. So answer is 22 and 350 is equal to 7700 centimeter. So this is your volume of this right circular cylinder, 7700 centimeter cube. Okay. The second one is curved surface area. What is the formula for curved surface area? The formula for curved surface area is 2 pi r h. What is the formula for curved surface area? 2 pi r h. 2 pi r is 2 into pi is 22.7, r is 7, and height is 50. So dear students, 7 multiply 7 7 cross हो जाएगा 22 into 2 44 multiply 50. So final answer is 2200 centimeter square. So dear students, curved surface area of this cylinder is 2200 centimeter square. Now total surface area. Total surface area. What is the formula for total surface area? Total surface area is 2 pi r h plus r. Value of pi 22.7, r is 7, and h is 50 plus r is 7. Dear friends, what is the calculation of this? 7 plus 7, 22 to the 44 into 50 plus 7, 57. 54 into 57 is equal to 2508. 2508 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of this right circular cylinder. So dear students, in this question, we have given a radius 7 centimeter and height is 50 centimeter. So value of pi is 22. We will use the value of pi 22.7 and 3.14 in decimal in every question. So volume, the formula of volume pi r square, putting the value of r and h in this to find the answer. So answer is 7700 centimeter cube. Second one is curved surface area 2 pi r h, putting the value of r and h and calculate answer 2200 centimeter square. And the last one is total surface area 2 pi r h plus r, 2 pi r h plus r, putting the value of r and h. The final answer is 2508 centimeter square. Now let's move on next question. Question number 2. This is real life based question. A milk tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and height is 10.5 meter. Radius we have given 1.5 meter and height we have given 10.5 meter. So dear friends, find the quantity of milk in liters. कि कितना लीटर मिल्क उसमें आ सकता है टैंक में. That can be stored in the tank. Okay. So बेटा इसके लिए हमें हमेशा वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना होता है. मैंने बताया था ना व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ वॉल्यूम? स्पेस ऑक्यूपाइड बाय अ थिंग. ओके. So volume is equal to pi r square h. Value of pi is 22.7 and the value of r we have given 1.5 to 1.5 and value of h is 10.5. तो dear friends, अगर हम इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो फाइनल आंसर आ जाएगा आपका 74.25 मीटर. Answer is 74.25 meter. So dear friends, this is the volume in meter cube. Convert this meter cube in liters. Convert this meter cube in liters. Okay. So dear friends, 1 meter cube, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 is equal to 1000 liter. So dear students, what is the value of 74.25 meter cube? So total quantity of milk is equal to 74.25 multiply 1000. Answer is 74,250 liters. So total quantity of milk will be 74,250 liters. Okay, dear friends. आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में नए क्वेश्चंस के साथ, डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ। थैंक यू, हैव अ ग्रेट डे, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।